hair products. As you see, my hair show you guys the transformation of the before and after of this product. I heard so much good things about it. It's healthy, it's organic, and I'm so excited that I finally got it. Organic products like no GMOs. That means it's all organic, very healthy for your scalp and your hair and your body. And it's cruelty-free, not tested on animals. Mwah. Ooh. I could just smell it. It smells delicious. Wow, everything is bubble wrapped. Glass jars, you know we love that. What? I'm gonna try all of this right now, you guys. So it looks here, I have the aloe vera and flaxseed. We all know flaxseed is amazing. This is a hair gel and I'll be trying this today. Triple nourishing oils. Look the size of this jar, you guys. Amethyst color. It is so big and I could just smell it already. It's so organic. Vitamin E, avocado, rosemary. And I received Golden Greatness. It's a hair oil. I'll be installing that in my hair after I wash it. So let's wash this hair. I love how the shampoo works. It's so refreshing to put healthy, nice, organic shampoo in your hair to really get that scalp nice and clean, that triple nourishing. Now my scalp feels so refreshing and clean. I can't wait to detangle it and install this aloe vera and flaxseed gel. Smells like sweet cupcake. It's kind of runny for a gel. Ooh, it's a little runny, but let's see what she did. Now that I sectioned my hair off, I'm just gonna apply a small amount from root to tip, gliding it through. Okay. My 3C and 4A texture really likes this. It's absorbing it. Okay, slip, 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 slip. I feel that healthiness, shine, and it's getting divine. Perfect. At this point, I gotta speed up this video, you guys. I'm gonna do my full head and see if it's enough for my whole head and apply it root to tip like you saw when I slowed it down. And my hair so far is absorbing it, really likes it, really needs it. I'm going to see if this is going to flake up, if my curls are going to get puffy. You're going to see the results. And I am shocked how my hair loves this so much. It's really, really making it easier for me to brush through. I have a harder time to brush through my hair. It has a lot of great slip to it. I'm just so excited. I finally found a product line that has the great items that I already been putting in my hair all in one. It just saves time for me because I always apply flaxseed in my hair and I love putting aloe vera, but them two together, wow, it's a good combo. So let's just see if this is going to do the trick as a gel. I kind of think it's going to work more as a mask, but you guys got to see this. It doesn't matter because it has great benefits either way it goes. So you definitely need to use this on your hair if you have dry, brittle hair and you really want to make your curls have that nice clunk, and if you really want to bring that shine, and if you want to triple your hair growth. That's how good it is, because my hair is just absorbing it. So I know my hair need it. We're wiping this mess out. Empty. So if you don't have a demi brush, that's the brush I'm using, you definitely have to get one. As I'm detangling my hair, it is a technique. I don't know if you guys notice, I use small portions of hair and I hold it so it doesn't pull the retention from my scalp, and I maintain more hair and I have very minimum shedding. One time applying it to my hair is empty. It's actually a good thing. That means my hair just loves it. Hello, we need to order some more. It was so good. Hello. My hair drunk it all up, you guys. Hello. Royalty of Essence. Hello. Royalty of Essence. We're empty. Perfect. I got a little bit more out to finish the back part. Oh, all right. Let's review this Golden Greatness hair oil. This oil, it's actually for your skin and for your hair. I like to apply it to my hair being semi-damp. And I apply it from the top, working it all the way to the bottom. And I drench it in there because my hair was so dry, it needs it. My skin needs it too. And I love to apply it onto my skin. It would be a great massaging oil as well. All right, now it's time for that scalp massage. Placing the triple nourishing directly on my scalp. Yes, it's in a glass jar. I love it. There, full syringe, you guys. And drip it everywhere. All on the scalp, top to bottom, around the ear, around the edges. Apply that on there for tripling your hair growth and feeding that wonderful healthy scalp of yours. There I go. I push it back away from my edges, give it a nice massage, relax it, stimulate it on the bottom, bring that blood flow to the scalp and let it do its job. Look at that growth. Yes, triple that hair length, nourishing and bringing all healthy products to your beautiful hair. Just let your hair flourish. I hope you guys enjoyed this video of me installing Royalty of Essence in my natural curly hair. All 4 products, from the shampoo to the hair oil to the gel, everything just looks amazing. Please make for sure you use my discount code so you can save some money on your purchase. And please leave a comment down below because I want to hear, did you try it? Did you like it?